Welcome to the soothing sounds of river and stream. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to experience the tranquil melodies of flowing water, from the gentle babbling of brooks to the majestic rush of rivers. Let's start with the gentle babbling brooks. These small streams meander through forests and meadows, their rhythmic flow creating a peaceful symphony of nature. Listen closely, and you'll hear the melodious notes of water cascading over smooth stones, the soothing gurgle as it winds its way through the landscape. The gentle murmur of a babbling brook invites us to pause, to breathe deeply, and to immerse ourselves in the tranquility of the natural world. Listen to the symphony of rushing water, the powerful roar as it cascades over cascades and rapids, echoing through the valleys and canyons. Standing on the banks of a rushing river, we can feel the pulse of nature, the timeless rhythm of water shaping the landscape. Whether it's the gentle babbling of a brook or the mighty roar of a river, the sounds of flowing water have a magical ability to calm the mind and soothe the soul. Join us in embracing the tranquility of river and stream sounds, and let nature's melodies wash away the stresses of the day. Now let's journey to the rushing rivers. These powerful waterways carve through rugged terrain, their currents strong and relentless.